Hello. So in this module, let's understand the concept. We understand here what is transverse EM wave. So you can see in this picture, we have the electromagnetic wave. It is propagating in the X direction. The Y direction represents electric field component indicated by blue sinusoidal waveform. Z direction indicates magnetic field component indicated by red sinusoidal waveform. So Y plane represents electric field, Z plane represents magnetic field, and X plane represents direction of propagation. So we call such representation as transverse electromagnetic wave. So transverse means the component of electric field and the magnetic field are orthogonal to each other or perpendicular to each other, and both of these components are also perpendicular or orthogonal to the direction of propagation. That's why we call it as a transverse EM wave. So E and B field here are transverse to the direction of propagation. Therefore, we call it as a transverse EM wave or electromagnetic wave.